my name is Jasmine, and I completed the Exercise Science and Sports Medicine program in 2017. Currently, I am in my senior year of nursing school at Kent State Trumbull, and so while I ended up choosing a different college path than I originally thought I was going to when I first joined the program, a lot of the information has been able to translate into my classes and many of the experiences I've had so far. The program really does set you up with a great base to succeed in any college or career field that you may end up choosing. While at TCTC, there's a lot of ways to get involved and to get ahead. One of those is by taking the College Credit Plus classes, so you can earn free college credit right at the school while you're in high school. Those allowed me to be ahead of many of my classmates at Kent, and it also saved me a lot of time and a lot of money.
Hi everyone, thanks for attending TCTC's open house. My name's Carson Walker. I graduated from the Exercise Science program here at TCTC in 2019, and I'm currently pursuing a bachelor's degree in athletic training at Kent State University. Back in my sophomore year of high school, I was starting to play soccer, and I was pursuing some interest in fitness because obviously I was starting to play soccer, getting more fit and everything like that. I wanted to understand the science behind it and why things worked the way that they did. So I heard about the exercise science program here at TCTC, and I decided to go through with it. It was honestly kind of tough leaving my home school behind, but it was ultimately the right decision for me. If I had not chose to pursue the exercise science program at TCTC, I would be nowhere near where I am today. I currently, at 19 years old, have a certification, and I am in my sophomore year of college, which is crazy for being 19. And none of it would have happened if I hadn't taken that first leap of faith to the exercise science program. It has expanded my knowledge beyond my belief, and I am one of the lead trainers here at my studio, all because I decided to pursue the exercise science program. I absolutely recommend it. If you love fitness or anything exercise and want to actually understand how things work, please make the decision to pursue the exercise science program. I have gotten just great knowledge and great skills out of this program, such as taking care of clients, being able to talk to people, and just general skills for the world. I mean, that's all you can really ask for, right?
I'm a huge advocate for making the jump from your home school to TCTC. And while I can't recommend the exercise science program enough, no matter which program you do end up choosing, I hope you make the best of it and take advantage of every opportunity you're able to get during the 2 years here and really make yourself a success story from the school.
It would potentially change your life and give you a career path for the future.